What's my favorite room in my house? Guess what it is? My office. Now, when we were buying this property, it was really important that there was a little area available for me to have a nice office because I basically live in here. I do all of my heavy thinking. I meet clients in here. We strategize. We do webinars, my podcast, everything comes from this office. So when I thought about, how exactly what kind of property we want to buy, how exactly we go after it with this specific investment, we had to think about the use of the property, and I want to make sure everyone is thinking about that. It's an investment property, yes, but the use of that property is what's really going to make sure that you turn over the profit, that your money works for you. So don't just buy any property for any sake. Make sure that you understand the future use of that property, and that use should be something that can make money for you. Connect the dots so we can make the